Cool and refreshing. Love me some Coke Zero. And I'm wearing the right shirt too. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Man, oh man. So let me ask you guys a question. What are you doing to pass the time in your city, in your state, if you are on lockdown or quarantine? I'll wait. Crazy, right? Man, never thought this would happen. So in my city and my state, which is the great state of Delaware, we are officially on lockdown. Man, it's getting crazy, guys. The stupid virus, the stupid corona, COVID-19 virus is affecting the entire world. It's causing such a pandemic and chaos that people are buying up toilet paper. Toilet paper. Why toilet paper? Can somebody explain that to me? Because I can't. I don't have any answers. Crazy. This is really crazy. So guys, I'm gonna tell you how I'm gonna pass my time. We're gonna cook some beautiful rib tips. Oh man, this is gonna be some good. In case you guys don't know what rib tips are, these are part of the breastbone from the St. Louis cut that everybody cuts off and throw it away. They don't like it for some reason. I don't know why. I can never find them in my local grocery store, but I found them in my Walmart. And when I saw them, I was excited, so I had to grab it and had to make some. I've never made it before, so guys, as you are watching, I am learning. But I definitely had these before at my local restaurant, which is a nationwide chain restaurant called Applebee's. So if you don't have Applebee's in your state or city, I don't know what to tell you. But that's where I got it from, that's where I had them from, and they ain't had no smoke flavor. So with our version, Smoking Jazz Barbecue version, we're gonna inject some beautiful smoke flavor into them. We're gonna use Cuisinart cherry rum wood pellets. That should infuse these beautiful rib tips with some beautiful smoke flavor, that cherry rum. Oh man, I can't wait. So we're gonna do a review at the end of the video to see what the hype is all about with these wood pellets, and we're gonna see if these rib tips are gonna be just as good as I had them at Applebee's, or if not better. So we're gonna treat these rib tips just like burnt ends, guys. We're gonna flavor them up with some beautiful rubs. We're gonna cook it at 250 degrees on our pit boss, also in Excel. Oh yeah. And then when we get to that brown mahogany color, guys, we're gonna pull them off, and then we're gonna wrap them, and we're gonna treat them with some love. We're gonna add some parquet to them. We're gonna reseason them, and then we're gonna wrap them nice and tightly and put it back on a smoker. And then we're gonna let it tenderize. Whew. Once we finish tenderizing, guys, we're gonna glaze them with a little bit of barbecue sauce, and I just can't wait to the end of the video because I know it's gonna be some beautiful, beautiful rib tips. So guys, before we get started with this video, I wanna highlight two channels. One is Behind the Garage Barbecue, and two is Grill and Smoke Barbecue. These two brothers right here does some phenomenal things on their pit bulls. So guys, make sure you go check them out right now, guys. These are some good dudes. They know how to do some good, beautiful barbecue, so go check them out, guys. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do these beautiful rib tips. All right, guys, so let's talk about that step-by-step process of what we're gonna do with these beautiful rib tips. Oh man, these are some beautiful, gorgeous rib tips. Take a look at these, guys. Man, take a look at that. Wow. Ooh, take a look at that fat surrounding that. I would never cut that up. You know why? Because fat equals flavor. Yes, sir. Speaking of flavor, what we're gonna flavor these bad boys with? Man, my go-to rub. That's right, pit balls hickory bacon. This is my favorite go-to rub for pork chops, for ribs, for pork tenderloins. Oh man, it's just good on anything. Definitely give that a try if you've never had that before. So we gotta have a little bit of heat to go with these rib tips. So what we're gonna do is, guys, is hit them up with some Cuisinart roasted chipotle garlic. This is phenomenal as well, guys. Now we can't go without that sweet agent, so we gotta hit them up with a little bit of sweetness, and none other than Cuisinart bourbon molasses. This is some good stuff as well, guys. So these three combinations are gonna flavor these rib tips up. It's gonna take it to another level, and we're gonna treat these bad boys just like burnt ends. So we're gonna cut them up into little bite-sized pieces, little chunks and nuggets. Oh man, it's gonna be so good. And then we're gonna treat them just like burnt ends, guys. We're gonna cook them at 250 degrees till we get to that nice consistency, and then we're gonna wrap them up with some little love and add some parquet in it, some more seasoning, and then we're gonna just glaze them with some beautiful barbecue sauce at the end to give them that nice, tacky barbecue flavor. Ooh, yeah. So today's wood flavor is going to be cherry rum from Cuisinart. Oh man. So cherry rum flavor, huh? So these should go really well with our rib tips, guys. So these are premium cherry wood pellets made with real rum barrels for better flavor. Oh man. So we're going to see what the hype is all about with these cherry rum wood pellets, man. So guys, stick around to the end of the video. I'm gonna show you my little review on these bad boys right here. We're gonna see if they can stand up with the big boys, such as the Pitballs brand, the Traeger brand, and the Lumberjacks. Those are known for some good wood pellets, so we're gonna see if these are just as good. And there go my boy, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna load these wood pellets up into our hopper right here, and we're gonna fire this grill up. All right, guys, so we got half a hopper full of these wood pellets, cherry rum wood pellets from Cuisinart, as you can see right there. And we're gonna turn the power on this bad boy, and we're gonna take it to the smoke setting. And we already got the lid open, guys, and I'm gonna use this little wire rack to put my rib tips on to cook them nice and gently. Oh yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we got a nice rolling smoke going on right now. We're just gonna close our lid. We're gonna crank our temperatures up to 250 degrees. And we're gonna let this warm up to target temperature for about good 15 minutes. All right, guys, so we've been running about 255 for about 15 minutes at this point. So let's take a look at our beautiful rib tips. Oh yeah. Oh man. Look at that sweat, guys. Man, that rub is definitely shining right through, guys. Whew. Man, let's pick these bad boys right here and place it in here because they are ready. Man, these are gorgeous, guys. So we're just going to dump these in here just like so. No fancy way to do them. Alright, guys, so we're looking at about 260 on our digital display and almost 300 on our dome. So let's take a look at our beautiful rib tips. Oh my goodness, take a look at that, guys. Oh yeah. It's only been an hour. Yeah, baby. So we're gonna let this go for about another half an hour or maybe possibly another hour, but I think we're almost there, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been about 45 minutes and we're running at 255 on our digital display and kind of almost at 275 on our dome. So let's take a look at our beautiful rib tips. Oh my goodness. Whew. There's nothing else needs to be said, guys. Take a look at that brown mahogany color on these beautiful rib tips. Man. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna take these babies off and I'm gonna wrap them up real quick, show them some love with a little bit of parquet and re-season them a little bit, and then we're gonna throw it right back right here on top of the Pitballs Awesome Excel, and then we're gonna tenderize them. Oh man. Well, there it is, guys. Whew. All we did was took them off the grill and placed them right here in this aluminum pan, and what we're gonna do now is re-season with a little bit of hickory bacon. Not too much because they're already nice and seasoned. Then the sweet bourbon molasses for that sweet agent that we're looking for. At this point, you can add some brown sugar if you like, some honey or agave or anything you like of that nature, but I'm just going to keep it nice and simple. And the only liquids that we're going to add is just some good old parquet. Okay, so back on the grill they go. So we're gonna let them tenderize for about a good half an hour to an hour. We're gonna check them every half an hour just to make sure they are nice and pro-tender. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we're running about 250 on the dome and about 250 the same on our digital display. So let's take a look at our beautiful ribs. Now, when you take this off, just be careful because there's some steam, as you can see, coming out. Oh yeah. Take a look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. So it's time to probe them to see where we at as far as sendiness goes. Yeah, that's, yeah. Alright guys, so it's time to take these babies off. We're gonna hit them with some barbecue sauce and have them back on this grill, and we're gonna give them a nice glaze, and there's gonna be some beautiful eating afterwards. Oh yeah, I can't wait guys. Alright guys, so we got the barbecue sauce right on these beautiful rib tips, and we got a nice coating of it. So all we're gonna do, let it glaze and let it tack up for about good 15 minutes or so. Oh man, these are gonna be so good. Alright guys, so we're looking at about 275 on our dome and 250 on our digital display, and take a look at our beautiful rib tips with the barbecue sauce glaze on it. Oh man, that Carolina sauce. Alright guys, I'm gonna pull this on, let them rest for about 5-10 minutes, and we're gonna do the best part of the entire video, the taste test. Alright guys, so it's time for the best part of the entire video, which is what? The taste testing. Oh man, I've been waiting all day for these beauties right here to get done, and they're finally done. 5 to 10 minutes of resting time is the longest time of the entire world just to get to these bad boys. Oh man, they were done by Cuisinart cherry rum with pellets. Oh man, so we're gonna talk about a little bit about that, but in the meantime, let's get to eating. Ooh yeah, take a look at that. Oh man, this is, look, it just falls right off. Wow, I don't know if you can see that guys, but take a look at that. It's a nice little smoke ring around it. Wow, let's take a bite. Moist, tender. Wow, packed with flavor. That pitfalls hickory bacon always shines through. Got a nice little heat from that roasted chipotle garlic from Cuisinart, and that sweet agent that we talked about, that bourbon molasses. Oh man, gotta take another bite. Take a look at that guys. Wow, a little smoke ring. There's some good rib tips. Oh yeah. So guys, let's do a quick review about these wood pellets. I think they got a nice shine to it. You get a little mild hint of cherry flavor, nothing overpowering. It's pretty good. I should definitely go get it. It's a little more expensive than the Pitballs brand, in my opinion. However, it does produce a nice cherry smoke that you can definitely smell. It's just like a slight hint of it, nothing overpowering, as I stated before with my other pellets. This is not stick burning, it's not a log, it's not a chunk, so it's not gonna give you that big combustion of smoke flavor that everybody's looking for. But it got a nice little settle, smooth, mild hint of it. So definitely I would recommend this brand. Check it out guys for yourself, see if you like it. But in the meantime, I'm gonna devour this. And don't forget guys, check out these my other two buddies that got those channels, Behind the Garage Barbecue and Grill and Smoke Barbecue. Definitely check them boys out, because they definitely doing some major wonderful things with their pitballs. So until next week guys, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. I salute you and peace.